This is the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean, a premium electric toothbrush from Sonicare. I've been testing it for a few weeks and I'm here to give you my opinions on it. So as you can see, I've got the pink coloured DiamondClean here. I've been testing it for a few weeks and there's a full written review that accompanies this video. Just click the link in the description to see that, and it goes into a lot of detail, but I'm going to cover the main points here in this video. So the first thing to note is that the DiamondClean comes in 5 different colour options. I just happen to have the pink one here. It's a nice stylish designed brush handle, very minimalist in the way it looks and feels. It's very smooth to the touch. There's not much in the way of grip, although it's more of a matte than a gloss finish. You've got a single power button on here to activate the brush and select one of the 5 cleaning modes, and the cleaning modes light up on the front of the brush handle, as does the battery status. And that's a pro and a con here, because I like the minimalist design, but I actually find it hard to see which cleaning mode you're on, and because you have to cycle through the cleaning modes, it can be a little bit difficult. It'd be nice to have a separate button perhaps, but that may detract from the design. You've got the interchangeable brush head here at the top, and included in the box you get 3 different brush heads. You get an Intercare brush head, an adaptive clean brush head and a DiamondClean brush head. They're just some of the different styles of heads available. They're all interchangeable and you can fit them onto this brush handle and purchase them separately if you want. They should be replaced every 3 months, and they have indicator bristles that fade over that 3-month period of use to remind you to change those brush heads. As I mentioned, there's 5 different cleaning modes. You've got clean, white, sensitive, gum care and deep clean. Obviously it's up to you which one you want to choose. If you check out our full review, there's more details on how each of those cleaning modes differ. When you actually power this brush on, it kicks in with the timer. That's a 2-minute timer, and it also has a pacer as well. Now what that means is at 30-second intervals the brush motor will pause slightly to tell you to change quadrant. You've got 4 quadrants of the mouth that you should brush, and that pacer helps give an even clean to your mouth. At the end of the 2-minute cleaning cycle, the brush will automatically power off, and that's a clear sign to you that the 2 minutes are up. The DiamondClean does have an easy start feature which allows you to easily transition perhaps from a manual brush to an electric brush, because 31,000 movements per minute that goes from the brush head is quite intense. So over 14 cleans it ramps up, and that's a nice option there for you to ease you into brushing with an electric toothbrush. There is a battery built into this. It's a lithium-ion battery. You'll get about 3 weeks use from it, which is very good and respectable given the size and weight of the handle. This uses something called inductive charging. There's no actual recess on the base of the handle for charging. You get a charging glass included in the box, which means you just basically sit it in the charging glass like so. That's connected to your regular power supply, and it charges the brush over about 24 to 48 hours. You can dip it in and out of the glass as and when you like for actually topping up the charge. A nice unique feature with the DiamondClean is the travel case it comes with. It holds the brush handle and up to 2 heads. It's a solid travel case. It's going to stop it getting damaged, and as well as protect it from accidental activation, but it comes supplied with a USB cable, which means you can actually charge it from a USB port whilst it's in the case, or you can use the provided adapter to charge it from the mains as well. That's a really neat feature. It's one of few brushes to allow in the case charging. The disappointing fact is it does require this cable that is separate and you have to attach it, and it uses the mini USB standard rather than micro USB or USB Type-C that we're perhaps more au fait with nowadays, so it's not always the same charger as your smartphone, let's say. It could be easy to lose that cable, but it's nice to have that feature there anyhow, and it's a real win for the DiamondClean. There is also no pressure sensor built into this brush like there is on the DiamondClean Smart, nor is there any Bluetooth connectivity, which is one of the appeals of the model up from this, the DiamondClean Smart. Bluetooth connectivity might not be for everyone, but if it had that, it would connect to the Sonicare smartphone app, but it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity, so no real smart features here. So it has a retail price of around about $230. Typically you can pick it up for a bit less, maybe around $180, subject to where and when you buy it. Replacement brush heads do cost about $8 per head. Obviously they have to be replaced every 3 months. We like to price the brushes over a 3-year period here at Electric Teeth, and if you do that, it works out at roughly 25 cents per day to own over a 3-year period. You can perhaps extend the value by sharing the brush handle, not the heads, with other people, or maybe you get it on a special deal. So overall, it's a very good electric toothbrush. The design is very nice, but it might not be to everyone's taste. I do have some reservations about the configuration of the icons here for the cleaning modes. There's a full written review, as I mentioned. Click the link in the description for that. But until next time, thanks for watching.